Hack to crack CMA final direct taxation in December 26 attempt. My dear students, trust me, clearing CMA final direct taxes is very easy. I am not saying this abruptly, I will prove also to you. So what I have taken, I have done analysis of last 5 exam question papers and last 8 MQPs. So overall 13 question papers I have done analysis out of these 13 question papers, and this analysis is only relating to descriptive questions. In exam, out of 100 marks, 30 marks are MCQs, 70 marks are descriptive questions. Only with regard to descriptive questions, this analysis is applicable. So in total, you are going to get 7 questions. You need to write 5 questions. So how many questions you are going to get in the exam? 7 questions. So 7 into 14 marks, 98 marks. Trust me, out of 98 marks, from first 3 top priority chapters, transfer pricing and safe harbor rules, assessment of various entities, DTAA. Only from first 3 chapters in June 26 exam, 56 marks came. Only from 3 chapters. 56 marks descriptive questions. So forget about MCQs, even descriptive questions, if you are very thorough with these 3 chapters, actually they are sufficient to clear CMA final direct taxes. That much important. So you see, transfer pricing, every attempt minimum 21 to 28 marks are being asked in the exam. I am speaking only descriptive questions, not MCQs. 1 or 2 MCQs might also come from transfer pricing. Okay. Next, assessment of various entities. Every attempt minimum 14 to 21 marks are being asked in the exam. DTAA, very important. One theory question will also be asked from DTAA. So every attempt minimum 14 marks are being asked in the exam. So very important. Next, PGBP assessment procedures. Many students find it difficult because it is theory, but still it is important. Non-resident taxation. Question 4B always comes from non-resident taxation. You take any attempt question paper, open question number 4B, it is from non-resident taxation chapter only. Next, from business restructuring and reconstruction also, every attempt 7 marks question is being asked. Next, from trust taxation also recently one question is being asked in the exam. So this is the analysis. Last 5 attempts question papers and last 8 attempts MQPs. Out of overall analysis, I have given the ranking. What are the top most 15 chapters that are important to study? And personally, if you study transfer pricing first, assessment of various entities second, DTAA third, and next non-resident taxation, business restructuring and reconstruction, advanced tax and interest, trust taxation. At least these 7 chapters, if you study properly, high chances you are going to attempt 4 to 5 questions in the exam. Out of 7 you need to write 5 questions, right? Minimum to minimum 4 questions definitely you will attempt and you will score good marks, at least if you study these 7 questions. I have promised you sure success CMA final direct tax revision batch for December 26 attempt. Starting from August 24th, I am starting that batch. I am going to upload videos on YouTube. Already recordings are going on in the group. If you want, you can join that group also to watch live lectures. From August 24th onwards, whatever those recordings are there, they will be uploaded. So with this, if you want this document, comment document, then I'm going to send you in the chat. For YouTube video, in the link will be provided in the description. So you can plan like this and you can clear CMA final direct taxes very easily. Whatever the sure success revision batch is there, it is also planned in this way only. First I am teaching transfer pricing, then I will revise assessment of various entities, then DTAA, then I will focus on NR taxation, business restructuring, trust taxation, advanced tax and interest. Then I will discuss PGBP, assessment procedures. In this way, I am going to revise the concepts and I am also sharing with you question bank. In question bank also, for each question I have written points to remember, which is going to be highly helpful to you. So make this sure success revision batch useful for your attempt. And if you study in this way, definitely you will clear. Thank you.